Hey guys, cooking up some liver with me. So today I'm doing liver with rainbow rice. You heard right, rainbow rice. Alright, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. You know, so the Vlogmas season is almost over. Alright, we're in. Right to the sharp knife.
You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. You know my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See my days are cold without you. Without you, my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See my days are cold without you. Without you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny.
Wash it in some vinegar. Even though I had it soaking in some vinegar before. and the liquid seasoning. Okay, that's pretty. So let me have a look at the piece aqui. I'm going to go and cut up some seasoning and put them down. Alright, so everything wash and clean up. So we cut it up now. Yeah. Give me a time, so you can just pick it apart like that. Rainbow rice.
Me, girl, you used to be my own. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. I lost me in the morning, baby. If you need it, show it. And if you ever needed or wanted, I got you, you know that. And if you ever home, well, we need a little company. I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right over. Invite me right over. I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we ain't we used to be so close.
Alright, check it on the rice. So this is what the rice looking like, guys. Watch the process now. So I'll be using 4 colors. Alright. Alright, color one. Color two. Color three. Color four. Going to talk like a bit. Alright. Alright. Add more water. Cover it. I will check in on the liver. See if it's ready. Alright. Ready? Nice in here, patina guys. Right. What y'all think so far? It is so pretty. Hey, yeah, I need to share the video, you know, guys. Share the video. It's not a regular YouTuber. When I do what people do, I create one thing. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright. So I'll cover it down. Let's steam. Alright. The liver is ready. Rainbow rice is ready.
Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna love you right. Take me for a ride, show me what's outside. Know it's been a while, but I wanna love you right. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way for him but to make. When we roll up in that shit like you're lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you're scared. Ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Trip, trip, trip.
He's getting away. That's what this happens. And you just told me not to focus
To enjoy life.
on it though? Or just why are you here hard?
Camera down. Rainbow rice with liver. Drop your comments below, let me know what you all think and share the video. I like the video too. tastes damn good.